In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Obsidian with Github. This process will help you keep your notes organized and easily accessible across different devices. We'll specifically be walking through installing the Obsidian Git plugin, a powerful tool that makes this synchronization possible. Without further ado, let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you have Obsidian open on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded and installed Obsidian, you'll need to do that first from the official Obsidian website. With Obsidian up and running, look towards the bottom left corner of the app for the gear icon which opens the settings menu. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a window filled with various options to help customize your Obsidian experience. Now, in this settings menu, you'll find a tab labeled Community Plugins. Click on it to open the Community Plugins page. This section houses a variety of plugins created by the Obsidian community to extend the software's capabilities. It's important to note here that the Obsidian Git plugin isn't a default part of the app, which is why we need to manually install it. Before proceeding, you might see a Safe Mode toggle. Safe Mode prevents any community plugins from being activated, which is useful for avoiding potential compatibility or security issues. However, to add our Git functionality, it's necessary to disable Safe Mode. You can do this simply by toggling the switch off, allowing your installation to make use of community-driven enhancements. With Safe Mode disabled, you'll move to the Browse section. This is the area where you can search for the numerous plugins that Obsidian's community offers. Locate the search bar within this page and type in Obsidian Git. As you type, the list below should narrow down to display the relevant plugin you're looking for. Click on Obsidian Git once you see it in the results. After selecting the Obsidian Git plugin, you'll be presented with an overview page detailing its functions and features. Look for the Install button, which should be clearly visible on this screen. Press it to begin the installation, and within a few seconds, the process will be complete. Finally, once the installation is done, check back on the same page for an Enable button. Clicking this will activate the plugin, allowing you to start using Git functionalities within Obsidian. With the plugin enabled, you're now ready to sync your notes with GitHub, making your repositories as dynamic and portable as your thoughts. And there you have it, a seamless setup of the Obsidian Git plugin. By following these steps, you can enhance your Obsidian experience and keep your notes perfectly synchronized with GitHub, ensuring they're safe, accessible, and version controlled. Thank you for watching, and happy note-taking.